right? Oh well, stream started. Before I do anything, I'm just gonna go and undo some stuff. Hello everybody, name's QWatted. QWatted. I'm gonna be streaming some game dev stream. God damn it, the silly cat is doing silly shit again, Just gotta love it. It ain't a QWatted stream without that. Hey. Game dev stream, the thumbnail is broken. Very slightly. God damn it, my cat is just... Oh my god! It's just so silly. He just wants to participate the stream a little bit. Now, I'm actually quite worried. Because... 0 spectators now. It's been 1 minute. This cat won't stop meowing too. Ain't that just silly? Cat won't stop meowing, everything is great, I guess. Is gonna finish sharing the stream around in a bunch of places. And I'll be good to go. Okay, got this. That out of the way. Oh god damn it, don't tell me my internet's selling again. Well, stream is gonna start in a few minutes or so, please be patient. And there's one full spectator. Hey. In the meanwhile, I'm most likely just sharing this stream around with silly folks. What? You're trying to tell me I'm streaming Need for Speed Most Wanted? Well, ain't that just silly? I'm streaming Game Maker. Wait a goddamn second, dog. There's something wrong here. If only I could, well, configure the stream. Really, I can't, though. Wait, I can. Oh, interesting. Stats are up. There's one. Hello. Ain't that just comedic? I just gotta fix that and I'll most likely be good. I just realized I'm using the old description for my video, from one of my more popular videos. Well, apparently I can't decide if it's Need for Speed Most Wanted or not. So, it's just gonna keep saying, oh my god, you're streaming Need for Speed Most Wanted. You're f***ing kidding me? Holy. Category Games. Game title. Do we have Game Maker? We don't have Game Maker here, so, can't even do much. I'm gonna put Peter Wait. There's 2 viewers? Holy shit. Hi, guys. Stream, like it says here in the little thing, stream's gonna be starting soon, and, well, just a minute, please. Just finishing this up. And, good morning. That's right, stream's up. I'm actually streaming now, so that's pretty peak. Got Game Maker up and running. So, That's also very peak. So, how you guys doing? Yo, good, good, mid, okay, better than bad, or y'all just straight up doing bad? If that's so, hope things get better. And, well, I'm gonna just make some games and stuff. If you guys are interested in making questions, go on. That's the reason why I even stream in the first place. It's for the silly. Anyways, time to actually get into the entire game maker thing so that I can make games. Currently, I only have a little basic room with some tiles and whatever. Gotta make it a little bit bigger as well, so 200 by 150. That's better. Now I got a little 4x3 room with a bunch of stuff to do. So that's cool as shit. Got over here my little tile set, and I'm just gonna go in. I'm miserable working on a comic. God damn. My apologies. Truly must suck being a talented artist. And actually making money of stuff. Anyways, gonna be finishing some stuff now. Honestly, this is one of the worst tile sets I've ever made. I don't really like it, it's just really mid. Kinda wish I could have made it a little bit better, but hey, it's not everything's perfect. Some stuff is supposed to come out mid anyway, doesn't really matter. Yeah, for the first few minutes of the stream or so, it's gonna be literally just me programming a bunch of things into this game. So, if you're into this sort of shit, stay. It's gonna be pretty fun. If you're not into this sort of shit, I recommend leaving. Just kidding. Please only if I need subscribers. Anyways, so it's about time I start programming the actual player. It has no sprite yet, so I'm just gonna create something real quick. S player. Well, I can't type. 8x8 sprite because it's a very tiny game. Haha. Well, for the while being, the player is just gonna be this purple square. It's the best thing ever, purple squares. If a game has the player as a purple square or something like that, it's gonna be peak, I'm just telling you. And by peak, I mean it's probably gonna be unfinished. Who said that? Me. I said that, and I completely regret saying that because I just remembered it was like a full-ass game only using rectangles and whatever. That game was fake. I don't remember its name now, but it was actually pretty good. It's either the bean or the square. There's no in between. Beans for 3D, squares for not 3D. That's basically all you gotta know. State machines, variables, and other cool stuff. Speeds. This is a horizontal speed, so add a little bit of a comment here. Vertical speed is also. Now I gotta do a little bit of a. Now I gotta actually talk about the player momentum. So, player momentum / acceleration variables. So first of all, the maximum speed that a player can achieve is gonna be just max, which is gonna be equal to 2 because it's an 8x8 game, and it's most likely gonna be too fast if I set it to 3. And the acceleration is gonna be h3pxl, which is gonna be 3.225. Not this too much of an exact number. 2.25. Okay, that's good enough. Gravity. grav is gonna be equal to 0.2. That's cool shit. Now jumping variables. This is where things get a little bit more complicated because jumping is not the process of, oh, you press a button and player goes flying. No, it's not like that. At least that's what they want you to think. But like, there's a ton of other stuff. There's coyote timing. There's jump input buffers. There's math and other sorts of stuff like that. So just gonna do it. Just gonna make a little jump, I guess. USB jump equals -5. Can jump equals. Now I'm gonna make this a struct. So current 0 and reset equals 3. Okay, great. Current status of coyote timing 0 equals cannot jump. Reset the can jump dot current variable. VSP jump. That's literally just it. Acceleration till you get to the max speed. Max speed. Alright, now I'm just gonna go over here and realize that there's a few things wrong that I should probably get fixing already. I'm not supposed to only have these variables right here. There's most likely a ton of other nuances that I'm going to have to add in the interest of, well, the game existing. So this is most likely not the final thing. What the hell my cat is doing? God, this is a little cooler. He's sleeping. Anyways, probably gonna have to add more stuff, like speed caps. Yeah, I feel like I should add speed caps already. Speed cap. Speed. Okay, what the hell am I saying? Speed caps equals horizontal, vertical. I'm gonna make it so that it's 10 for both sides. And I'm just gonna shorten out the things a little bit to hori and vert. Because I like the sound of it. It's not because it's efficient, it's not because it's, well, saving space. No, it's because I like it, the sound. Horizontal speed cap. Vertical speed cap. And I guess that's all. Now, oh wait a second, I almost forgot. Jump input buffer equals current 0 reset. I don't know, man. 6. Very arbitrary number, but it's gonna be fun. Current status of the jump input 0 equals jump will not be registered. And current status of the jump. Resetting the status of the jump input. Alright, now we can actually get to the coding part of the thing. So state free equals function. You know, I feel like I should make a platformer tutorial. I got actually so committed to making platformers that I've actually just... I know how to make platformers nowadays, but that's really the only thing. I feel like I should just expand my horizons to something like a top-down RPG or a dating simulator. Okay, what the hell am I thinking? I should never do that. Var key clear equals... No, I cannot make that a struct. Key there equals hori for. Okay, great. Kdir dot hori equals. Which path is the way of? Okay. R key times dot held minus L key dot held. I'm gonna set these variables later on when I install some other cool stuff. Kdir dot vert equals down key dot held minus up key dot held. These will be important. Just trust me on this one. They will be important. Alright, now what do we do now? That's the fun part of programming. You never know what's going to be the next step and what's not going to be the next step. Because you always have to remember that you're going to have to add something or else. I'm just going to cut the stream a little bit because I will be accessing very personal files. Which include my GameMaker tools. So I'm not even going to show it. But basically what I'm gonna put is just three little things that I would actually need, which would be Bulb, a light engine made by the cool peeps over at the GameMaker Kitchen, and Scribble and Input. These are the best libraries in GameMaker, just saying. Add input as well. The stream's gonna be back in like 2 seconds, just trust me guys. Edit all that. I just gotta add Scribble and we're good. Alright, now I can finally get back to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Anyways, so now that I'm here, I'm just gonna make a little script that I have in almost everything that I do. Man, I almost forgot. I have to create a group which is for libraries, which is gonna include Bulb, Input, and Scribble. These three are the most important libraries in my opinion, and honestly, if there's something that helped me with game dev a lot, it would be these three libraries. Love them. Anyways, does it really matter? No, it doesn't. Anyways, we don't have it working yet, so I'm just gonna go over here and create a little script. Fuck, that's right. What's a shortcut to creating a script though? It's Alt C. This script is a bunch of scripts that. Okay, just delete all of this. This script is a bunch of scripts related to input in some. So be careful when messing with it, as this could result in very bad things. Alright, now, function key constructor. Trust me, this will be important. It's a very useful function that's just gonna create a little struct for a key. Now, you're gonna be probably asking yourself, why would I need that when I can literally just make two separate variables? And that's the thing. You don't. That's just a weird thing to do. So I'm gonna go over here, held equals int check verb. Switch verb. Verb is true. Held equals input check. Wait a goddamn second, that's just wrong. I just realized that. Verb press equals input check press verb. Oh, my kitty's doing silly shit again. I love it. Hey, free people. That's nice. Just got another viewer for the stream. Hi. Anyways, this is for when a key is being held. This for when a key is being pressed. Alright, now I'm gonna go over here into a player. Gonna make a little bit of a step event, and I'm just gonna do this. U key equals no key up equal dk equals no key down. L key equals no key left. R key equals no key right. Now, if everything's to be believed, this should not generate any errors at all and should work on a first try. Is what a very optimistic programmer that does not have a very good knowledge of programming would say, but like, it's probably gonna go well, just saying. Trust me on this one. There's HSP, setting the horizontal speed. HSP equals ZERP, HSP max times speed cell. Wait a second, no. Key near dot hori. HSP excel. Got that working. Now, couldn't just add a little bit of an extra variable real quick. Var. Actually, I'm gonna make that a script because I love it. I love making random scripts that don't work for anything, but this time around I realized it's not really gonna be very useful to do so. So, what the hell was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, true. If place meeting x, y was 1, oh wait a second, I didn't even add collisions to this game. Oh great. Global dot collisions. I'm gonna add that later on, just don't worry about it. For now, it works. Now this could be considered a brutality, but like, what could possibly go wrong? Else just be able. Wait a second, should I just do a switch statement for this? It's silly. Switch place meeting x, y plus 1 global dot collisions. is true, have all of this happen. Insert or here in the future. Case false. It's gonna put us over here. Divided by 2. Nah, that's too much. 1.2. Thank you. Very exact numbers coming into clutch again. Insert more here in the future. Break. Alright, now this should work. Oh wait, we dropped viewership by 2. Now I'm gonna be just kidding. Anyways, switch statement, case true, case false. Okay, should work. Collisions. Hey, new viewer. Hi. I'm back from hell. Holy, that sucks. I mean, it must have sucked to being for it must have sucked being in hell. That's what I meant. While okay, so we got this. Now I'm gonna have to do a little bit of. Okay, how do I do that again? Holy, I'm stupid. Oh yeah, we gotta create 2 variables. Var is on slope equals undefined var toleration. I'm just gonna name it total is gonna be equal to HSP plus 4. And now I'm gonna go 4 var I equals 0. I is lower than toleration. I plus plus. For all of that, gonna make it stat. Hey, no member. Got sent there for a few days cause I asked Lucifer if it hurt. Oh my. Wow, you probably experienced it yourself. Cause hell's pretty deep to the earth, right? Wait, did I say something bad again? Oh shit. Anyways, if not place meeting x plus HSP y minus total product collisions y minus equals total. Wait, no, it's I. Break. While place meeting x plus HSP y global dot collisions HSP times equals 0.5 if not place meeting x plus HSP y global dot collisions x plus equals HSP. Should possibly work, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna end up making the game shit itself somewhere or another, considering it's overcomplicated collision code.tm. Anyways, bye. Oh wait, we're up to 3 viewers again. That's pretty nice. Suppose equals HSP. Horizontal. Vertical. I'm just gonna copy all of this except the entire slope part of it. For bar I equals 0, I is lower than whole I plus plus if please meeting x plus HSP y plus I global dot collisions y plus equals I break. Oh yeah, and don't forget to set the. Oh, that was silly. So equals true. How great! I love nesting code. It truly makes my brain tingle. And it makes me pissed. Well, got 3 viewers now, so that was probably recorded. Sure do hope future me won't find this channel because that will most likely end up in me just, well, cringing. Anyways, so, yeah. Now I'm just gonna have to copy all of this code right here except the entire slope code and paste it into the vertical. Those USB. Move these two over here. Move these two over here. Close ESP. Close ESP. Taking a look at it. Yep. And I suppose everything should work fine, but we still have to do the jumping and stuff, so but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna do a very rudimentary jump real quick. And I'm just gonna change this to a region. Cause I hate seeing this sort of code. Just pisses me off. Yeah, before we actually start, I'm just gonna make a little bit of a thing. Oh, wait a second. Discord DM. Well, whatever. Anyways. So now I'm just gonna make a little bit of a debug object and it will be fine. Which is not a debug object. Make a group. Debug objects. Global. And it's just gonna have a bunch of global variables. Literally, that's all. Making some important global variables. First of all, we got global.collision. It's gonna be composed by collision, which is something that I'll have to make like right now. Global.tau_collision. And that's all. For now, at least. Collision objects. So things like moving platforms or whatever go in here. Make Oh, collision. Okay, now what do I do now? Who's on my project planner again? Oh, apart from all of this, I have to make a sprite tree that's as collision. Gonna make it so that it's 8 by 8. And viewership fell to 1 viewer again, that sucks. I'm gonna make it so that it's like a pure green. Morning Q, not doing good, so I'll just say hello, hi. Oh, they're gonna probably already. Hope they're doing well now. Got the pink collision. That's the best sort of collision. Sprites as collision. Oh, global over here. Equals. Now I'm gonna make it so that tile. I gotta make tile collisions actually work. So global dot tiles. Tile layer ID equals layer get ID tile collision global dot tile collision equals layer get tile layer tile back get ID global dot tile layer ID setting the tile collisions. And I'm gonna have it so that this resets every room. So I'm gonna go over here. Other room start. Setting the tile collisions. And I think that's all. So I should have a little bit of a working prototype. Oh, wait a second, I almost forgot some stuff, but it doesn't really matter. At least I remembered about it at the last second, so, first of all, I didn't set a state variable. Didn't finish this, didn't finish this. Y plus equals graph. Should work, right? ESP plus equals graph, not that. Setting the speed caps. ESP equals clamp. ESP minus ESP. HSP equals clamp. HSP minus speed cap dot Tori speed cap dot Tori. And with all of this said, it's not gonna work so because I actually need to make the jump, but I'm gonna leave that for later right now. All I'm interested in is just finishing this real quick. Can't forget a debug layer for debug objects. Let's see how it works. It's gonna throw me an error. It's gonna be not really cryptic. It's gonna be something extremely dumb that I most likely forgot about, and I'm gonna get ashamed of it in stream because it's funny. How did I know? Copy this. Paste in here. I'm actually gonna make this a little bit better so that it actually works correctly instead of having a little bit of a problem sometimes. Alright, it should work now. How did I know? That's uncontrollable? Yep, uncontrollable. Fuck, we had a memory leak. Ain't that just great? CMD task kill /f/im runner.exe. Thank you. Now, what could possibly be causing that memory leak that I've literally never had in my entire life before? By the way, that's not a joke. Notice how that's not supposed to happen. I have a feeling it's because of math. Because, well, I'm most likely not supposed to have such a high toll. Like this over here. Oh, no shit! Such a fucking dumbass. Remember what I said about being embarrassed about code? Yeah, that just happened. I'm never gonna code after this one. Yeah. Yikes. We're gonna set it as like false instead of undefined. Maybe that's gonna fix it, right? Think about it. What could possibly be going wrong? Oh yeah, while loops, that could possibly be going wrong, but like, what could possibly be going so wrong? Just gonna copy this already. Instead of having to type it out manually. Consider this is a very big problem. Probably gonna have to ask the Game Maker committee for this one. Alright. Think about it in a more logical manner, if you will. Add a debugger here. Add a debugger here. F6. Okay, I don't care, Windows. Let it run. And would you look at that, it froze. How great. That's why I don't use the Game Maker's debugger, honestly. Just doesn't work. Wait a goddamn second, something feels off here. Could it be what I'm thinking? It 100% was not what I was thinking. Task kill, great. Oh well. So what could possibly be causing all these silly issues that I've just encountered? Hmm. I'm gonna go search up some solutions real quick. Maybe that will help. Oh, so that's why. I went on to check some old code to see if I was being wrong again, and turns out the onSlope variable is there for a reason. This falls under the category of stupid dumb mistakes that it could have been easily avoided if I was just a little bit more smart. God damn it, my kid is doing silly shit again. Well, ain't that just great? Premier League's still happening. That's a very big problem. Task kill /f /iam runner.exe. So if it's not that, what could it possibly be? I'm cooked. Am I? Probably, I don't know. Gonna recheck the code real quick. Oh, fuck. I'm a great programmer. I just fuck up all the time. Wait a second, did I ever set a... that could probably be the problem. For both of them, actually. Turns out I didn't set a equals 0 anywhere. So that's probably why it wasn't working. Alright, to my single spectator watching this right now, this is what was causing the problem. The silly thing. And it just didn't fix it. Alright, great. Thank you very much. Task skill /f /iam runner.exe. Thank you. Could it possibly be these clamps? I'm just throwing random shit in the dark at this point. It was the clamps. It almost was the clamps, I guess. We just got a little more forward. If I move right, the game crashes. Knew it. That just pointed to being a very big problem with the horizontal code. This is just breaking my brain because never had this problem before. That's the funniest part of it. That would, no, Kinda hate it, to be honest. There are just some problems that appear out of nowhere that you've literally never ever seen. But they just decide to because... Oh! And my cat even got jump scared by the sound of that oh. Cause... It's not... It's not this, okay? Its HSP is higher than 0.1. Same over here, I guess. HSP is higher than 0.1. Why ain't that just great? ABS. Fucking hate absolute values. But I also love them at the same time, so I'm not gonna send more hate. Alright, now it should work. It is almost working. How... For how long have I been struggling with this test? Well, I'm a terrible coder, that's for sure, but I've been at least trying. I'm not even gonna hide it anymore, man. What could possibly go wrong? I mean, I am indeed just using old code at this point. Okay, that's a lot of stuff, but I don't feel like that's all necessary. Horizontal. Yup, it is most likely on this one. Then over here, copy this. And this should potentially work. It's gonna freeze. It didn't freeze, but it's now giving me another problem. Oh wow. Ain't that just great? That makes sense. Plus more. Always worked. What could possibly go wrong? Tip everything. Oh wait, it actually worked. Well, I guess there goes the little problem that we've been having for a little bit of some time. Now the collision code actually works. Fun. Now we've got a basic prototype running. Except there's no jumping, except there's no stuff that I've been actually wanting to add. Whatever. I guess that's just how things are sometimes. Gotta start slow and tidy, I guess. Wait a second, I've literally been streaming alone all this time, so... Because the only viewer is actually my phone. Well, I guess that happens. Just some silly game dev stuff. Streams really do be like that. There's peaks, there's not peaks, and there's stuff. I'm gonna remove this real quick. Wait, no? HSP equals clam. HSP minus speed cap dot quarry. Speed cap dot quarry. HSP equals clam. HSP minus speed cap dot vert. Speed cap dot vert. Okay, now we have a little speed cap. Well, I ain't even gonna say shit no more. Cause what the fuck? What the hell? Probably speed cap really do be causing that problem. That was silly as all hell. How the hell are we supposed to work like that? Well, guess that's it for today. Made a little basic prototype. Nothing really big, nothing really stuff, whatever. So I'm just gonna. Oh wait, really? Why? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna continue on a little bit. Just gonna say a bunch of game developer facts. Game developer fact number one: there's this one dude that developed the entire Roller Coaster Tycoon using only assembly. That's like making math without numbers, just saying. Or something like that. I don't know. That was a pretty bad comparison. Apart from that, no. Oh yeah, true. I gotta make the jumps. Before this, I'm gonna go inside. Jumping. Oh wait a second. It's almost 9 p.m. I actually gotta go eat dinner now, so I'm gonna stop streaming. Bye. He what? How? He just did it. He's just